Hi there, I'm Dan with weBoost. Today we're going to talk about how to install a drive sleek in your Jeep with a non-magnetic top. The drive sleek is a single device cell phone signal booster and it's easy to install. However, there are a couple differences you want to keep in mind if installing in your Jeep. The tops of many Jeeps are made of fiberglass, so they don't provide the conductive surface needed for a ground plane for the small magnetic antenna. Instead, we recommend you set up the outside antenna on the hood of your Jeep. Run the coax cable to the inside of your Jeep and connect it to the booster, which you can slide underneath the seat or put in the glove compartment. You can power the drive sleek with a cigarette lighter adapter. Lastly, the cradle booster is pretty versatile when it comes to mounting or storage. But for an off-roading Jeep, we'd recommend keeping it in a center console or cup holder since your vehicle will be jostling around and you'd want your phone and cradle booster to be secure. The drive sleek is a great addition to your Jeep and will allow you to go wherever the road or trails take you, while maintaining good cell phone signal. Do you have any questions about installing the drive sleek in your Jeep? If you do, please leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel where you see new videos like this every week. And thank you to Dixie 4-Wheel Drive for having us out there. Thanks for watching.